Yes, 3 bags wool. One for my master and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Lives down the lane. One for the little boy who lives down the lane. Hey! Oh! What are you trying to say, darling? Want to have a conversation? Huh? Oh! Oh! Yeah! Say hi! Hi! Hi, darling! Hi! 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 No hi! Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? One for my master and one for my wool. Oh, why? Why? Crying? Don't cry, Matthew. Don't cry. Matthew's a good boy. Matthew, don't cry. Hey, you showing your tongue. Okay, don't disturb.